Well, hello guys, McBain Knows Best 42 here. We are outside of downtown Mount Pleasant, your mountain town station on Broadway Street, just waiting for the Great Lakes Central Railroad to make a northbound run through town here. They've already gone through the Central Michigan University campus and should be coming along the tracks right now. We're just waiting for the crossings to activate here soon. I don't know if you can hear it on my phone, but maybe able to hear them going over the bridge down there as we get a shot at the trail into in and out of Mill Pond Park up above the Chippewa River here in Mount Pleasant. It is Wednesday afternoon, May 19th of 2021. Birds are out and chirping. Green grass, pollen in the air. We'll try to get a count on what's running this afternoon here. As you see, the crossings have activated at the signal pole. As here they come. That's definitely going to be one of the older GLCs today, 382, which is a